Ka nong mi khmat na ka East Shillong, ka balong ka nong ilam barim juga Congress Legislature Party ka kong Ampareen lingdo, haka sngis dang juga dorbar mang tingka arhajar arpuar, kalapan sngau baka jingwan jongka syakaliang sinsyar, kam shimdon ka jingbabe, namar ki babuan ki mat ne ki kam ki basateng ladep an penurlong. Haka juga por kalau ong ba habarung haka jaka ke balong dorbar, kam don ke jingye per bat ke jingim khynnah skul bakan ria ka classroom, namar ba haban yet ya ke jaka shong.
So, till today, from the day we decided to join the MDA, there has been no turning back. A lot of our work which was pending, a lot of our issues which were unattended for so many years have suddenly gotten all the attention. So I believe in the heart of my heart that I did the right thing, that I did no wrong in deciding to go the MDA way. And to my understanding of this very complex situation at this point of time, following the suspension, the first thing that comes to my head is that, okay, as an MLA, it has always been a positive gain. Now, about my political stand, that is something which I'm trying to, renew, think about, decide. So it's not been easy. It will not be easy, but I have a very peculiar campaign model, which is unique to myself, where I go every door and I ask my people what is the way forward. So I know that whatever decision I take 6 months down the line, it will be in consent and with the blessings of my people. But yeah, first day was a little unusual, like I said. Like a new kid going to a new classroom, I was literally looking for my seat and saying, okay, where am I going to be sitting in this entire new arrangement? But it has been a pleasant experience this far. I've been able to reach out through many departments, taking issues that were left pending by me as an MLA. So I'm happy. And yes, there's no harm in saying I'm looking forward to this new partnership.